a werewolf, and then you'll be turned into one, and you'll have to stay in, and then you'll have to get shade because you'll be too hot.
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Suffolk County and eastern Massachusetts, east central Middlesex County and northeast Massachusetts until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Medford and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. Some locations impacted include Boston, Somerville, Malden, Medford, Revere, Arlington, Everett, Chelsea, Melrose, Saugus, Stoneham, Winchester, and Winthrop. Take cover now. Do not wait to see the tornado. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows. If in a vehicle or outdoors, get to the closest shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. Drivers should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris.
Direct from our imagination. The all-new Civic from Honda.